Let's study the use of where. Let's see how where is used in a sentence and what does it mean. Where is used in order to ask the location of an object. Let's study the use of where. Where is Roni? Where is Roni? Where is Roni? Roni is near the pond. Roni is near the pond. Where is the moon? Where is the moon? Where is the moon? The moon is behind the clouds. The moon is behind the clouds. The moon is behind the clouds. Where are the children? Where are the children? Where are the children? The children are in the park. The children are in the park. The children are in the park. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Where is the dog? The dog is near the log. The dog is near the log. The dog is near the log. Where is the table? Where is the table? Where is the table? The table is in the front of the chair. The table is in front of the chair. The table is in front of the chair. Page number 2. Where are the girls? Where are the girls? Where are the girls? The girls are in the garden. The girls are in the garden. Where is the boat? Where is the boat? Where is the boat? The boat is in the sea. The boat is in the sea. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? Where is the boy? The boy is near to the car. The boy is near to the car. The boy is near to the car. Where is the kite? Where is the kite? Where is the kite? The kite is in the air. The kite is in the air. Where are the birds? Where are the birds? Where are the birds? The birds are on a tree. The birds are on the tree. The birds are on the tree. Now let me know where are you right now and mention it in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like this. So stay tuned for more lessons like this.